30 days of construction time, hollow walls, cracks, and constant repairs. For overseas wall construction, these long-standing problems can now be solved in just 5 days with Golden Power. Purchasing managers and project managers, let me ask you one question about project profitability. On your last project, how many days did wall construction take? How much did labor cost? And how many times did you need repairs afterwards? Let's run the numbers for a 5,000 square meter office building using traditional brickwork and plastering wet construction methods. 7 days to build a wall, 7 days of curing, 7 days of plastering, another 7 days of curing. That's a starting point of 30 days. During these 30 days, workers are waiting, equipment is waiting, and capital is also waiting. Take California's construction labor rates as an example. At $50 per hour, labor alone costs about $125 per square meter. But the problem doesn't stop there. Traditional wet construction also comes with 3 common quality issues: hollowing, cracking, and poor wall flatness. 6 months later, cracks appears, hotel owners complain, shopping mall tenants complains, and in the end, you are the one paying for it. Now look at Golden Power's dry construction. 2 days to install the light steel framing, 2 days to install the boards, and 1 day for joint treatment. 5 days in total. This is the difference between 30 days and 5 days. It's not just a little faster, it's a complete transformation. Now let's calculate the labor costs. With a Golden Power system, installation only requires 0.8 labor hours per square meter. At $50 per hour, that is around $40 per square meter for a 5,000 square meter office building. The labor savings alone is around $425,000. That $425,000 becomes pure profit. It's not just savings, it's a result of Golden Power's dry construction system. Why is it so efficient? Because Golden Power uses a dry construction system. No plastering, no curing, and no secondary leveling. Workers simply install the prefabricated boards directly on the wall structure. More importantly, Golden Power's boards leaves the factory with excellent surface flatness. If your project requires the fastest completion time, we also offer customizable decorative boards. Wood grain, stone texture, or solid color finishes can all be pre-finished at the factory. Installation on-site means the wall is already finished. So the value of Golden Power's dry construction system can be summarized into 4 key points. First, construction time is reduced by 75%. 30 days becomes 5 days, allowing earlier project delivery and faster capital turnover. Second, labor cost is reduced by 40%. That $425,000 becomes direct profit. Third, zero quality risk. No hollow walls, no cracks, and no repairs for years. Fourth, a complete hassle-free system. From design to installation, everything is solved with one integrated solution. This level of efficiency is made possible by more than 20 years of manufacturing experience and technical expertise from projects all around the world. Golden Power's products has passed multiple international standards, including the American, British, Australian, and European standard, and they have been used in global markets for more than a decade. Overseas construction faces high labor costs, tight schedules, and strict quality standards. But with the right construction system, these challenges can become advantages. Want to know how much your project can save? Contact me and Golden Power will calculate your cost savings.